Hey guys, in this video I'm going to demonstrate the S Pen hover preview feature on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Now before you can use this feature, you need to first turn it on, and to do so, first tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on advanced features. Next, tap on S Pen. Then in here, tap on Air View, and at the top, tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Then go down and select Previews and Pointer or Previews only. So I'm going to select Previews and Pointer. And you can see here say turn on Air View Previews to scroll or pick into links, albums, and events by hovering your S Pen. So here, if I open up my calendar, you can see I can hover over the event, and that will give me a preview of that event in here. So quite handy if you want to quickly look at events on your calendar days without having to open up. You can just hover your pen over. Another example is the gallery, so I can hover over the gallery to have a preview of the pictures. If there is if you need to scroll down, you can also hover your pen over the scroll items to scroll down the page. And another item is notes. So if you go into notes here, I can hover my pen over the notes here to have a quick preview of my notes without having to open up my notes at all. And that is the S Pen hover feature, or the hover preview feature on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.